Good morning children. Myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 4th. So children, today's our topic is deadly plants from chapter number 4 and our book is Together with Journal Awareness. So children, this is a very short topic and today we will read only page number 10. Before reading this chapter, children, you know that many plants, trees, animals, these all are our friends. But some plants are very dangerous. If any insects, small animals may come in their contact, they die. So these type of plants today we will discuss in this chapter. So, I will show your course book. So children, this is your course book together with journal awareness for class 4. Okay children, and this is your today's chapter. Today's chapter is chapter number 4, deadly plants. In this chapter, we will learn more about dangerous plant. Okay students. So children, we will start this chapter. There are 3,80,000 different kinds of plants on the earth. You already know it. Plants make their food from sunlight, air and water. Plants make their food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. This process is called also photosynthesis. There are some plants that trap insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. Some plants are insectivorous plants. They trap some small insects to feed themselves. This because these plants grow on wetlands. Wetlands, it means water areas, rivers, coastal banks, near lakes, where the soil is poor of nitrogen. These plants need extra nitrogen for their proper growth. These are known as insectivorous plants. Plants have many categories like human beings and animals. Some animals are herbivorous, some animals are omnivorous, and some animals are carnivorous. Like this, the plants are also many categories. Some plants are insectivorous plants. In this chapter, we will know more about these type of plants. There are some insectivorous plants. I have written some names there. First is Venus flytrap. It is an insectivorous plant. Second is sundew. Third is bladderwort. Fourth is pitcher plant. Now children, we will know more about these type of plants with the help of our book. Venus flytrap is a type of plant shown in the picture. It has hind leaves with sensitive hair on margins. When an insect sits on its leaf, the leaves gets folded at the hind. The fly trap then changes the insect into soup and soaks it up. In this way, it feeds themselves. So, next is sundew. The leaves of this plant are covered with hair, sparkling with dew like drops of glue. As the insect sits on the leaf, it gets stuck. The leaf folds trap the insect and dissolve it into a liquid, and it drink up. It drink up the small insects. This one is bladderwort. It is an underwater meat-eating plant. There are bubble-shaped bags along its leaves. These bags soak in the creatures along with water. Next is pitcher plant. Leaves of this plant are modified into a pitcher. Pitcher is a pot-like utensil-like structure with a lid. The inner wall of this pitcher is very smooth, not very rough. The pitcher contains a liquid at its bottom. As the insect sits on the brim of pitcher, it slips into the liquid which dyes it up. In this way, these plants make their food. There are 500 known species of insectivorous plants. They are very dangerous, so they are called deadly plants. This is very important note. We will read it. The fly traps can count also. It can count also like us. When an insect touches the hair on its leaf for the first time, the trap keeps open. But when it touches the hair for second time, the trap shuts up. In this chapter, we will know more knowledge about insectivorous plant. So today's our chapter is stopped here, and I hope you will be understand this chapter in very well manner. So children, we will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.